Hello guys, welcome to this series, and in the first video in this series that we're gonna be starting to learn Python, and we're gonna be doing two topics today. We're gonna be doing the print and the variable today. Now tomorrow we're gonna do another video, and tomorrow I'm gonna be giving you an exercise, and tomorrow we're gonna be doing it. So in this series I'm gonna be going through some exercises. I am going to give you some exercises for the Python. Let's start, shall we? The first thing in this, well, literally just type with me. Type like this, just type, and then you'll find out. Now, what's it doing exactly? How is Hello World printed in the console? Wait, print Hello World. Isn't it like English? Look, what is this function doing? It's printing Hello World right here. It's pretty basically English. Print Hello World. If you want to print something, print Hello World. Isn't it the same thing? Wow. That is the first line ever of any coder. You ask it what's his first line in Python, it's gonna be this. Congrats on your first ever program, a Hello World program that starts your journey in Python. Now we're gonna be doing the second topic. I'm gonna be going through all the types of a variable. The first, let me show you how you can implement a variable into a string. Now you're gonna tell me, wait, stop. Right now I don't even understand half of what you say. Let me show you. Hello World. Let me give you a case. I have Hello World multiple times. Right now it's not multiple times, but in real world you will have a lot of print functions, and you just want to change this a lot of times. What you're going to do is you're going to write name equals to set. Let me tell you in maths. In maths, 1 plus 1 equals 2. When we want to solve something, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, right? So it's pretty basically, I'm saying that a name should be set. This is a variable. This stores set in its data. What does this mean? If I print the name set, wow, so it prints this. So you see where we can use this. So we're going to be implementing this in this function. So we're going to be removing the world and say name. So right now, what we should see is hello sad. There we go. It actually works. I can't believe it. This is how you can actually do variables. Variables are things to store data, and this is how you actually store data. And now we're gonna be going through two types. Today is two types of variables. Now here we're doing a string. I can write here John. I can write the rock. Okay, you get the point. But what is the type? The type of a variable, to get it, you print type name. What did I write? I am printing the type of the name, English. Let's run this. We have a string. So what a string is, pretty basically what is in between two strings. Just to not two of these small lines, it's pretty basically what's inside of it, or in between these two, or in between these small curves, like in between this or these. But now name is the rock. Now I want to write number. What would it be? You will just say name is just 6, right? And 6, it works, but it's in a string. I don't want it. This is a number. Now can you tell me, how can the program differentiate even if it's in between? But how does it know it's a number? It won't look through this. It's pretty basically in your math test. When someone wants to like get your test, notes your test, and then finds you wrote the answer correctly, but how will you know you did it? You did it. That's how Python works. You actually just write 6, and now we should get integer. Now we're gonna be doing the checkbox. What is a check? You see, the checkbox is like something on and off, on and off. You know what I mean? When you click on something, it's like doing that mark. If not, it's showing nothing. So the thing is, it's either true or it's either false. This is true and false. They are actually called booleans. Booleans are pretty basically like those when they tell you are you a human or you a female in the YouTube verification, you click on one of them, you turn you're human true, you're female false. You can do two at a time. You only can do one type. You can do human and female. You can only do one. So this is how the true and false works. It's pretty basically setting that the name is true. Like I can say 5 is equal to 3, true. 5 is equal to 3 is false. 5 is greater than 3 is true. So this is how we can use this. So this is it for today's video. I know this is a short tutorial, but in the next video we're gonna be doing an exercise. So the exercise that I want you to do is write a variable and call it your name, and then print hello your name, and then say I am years old and am I a human? True. I want you to do that. I want you all of them in a variable, one called name, one called boolean, and one called integer. Boolean and one called integer, and then print them all. And this is it for today's video. Hopefully you did the exercise, and in tomorrow we're gonna be noting this and see if you have it correct. Goodbye.